day 5 of lockdown, and as promised, every day I'm walking 22k, and I'm giving you some tips that will help you practice at home. Please, when practicing at home, only do it for essential journeys. I'm not advocating you going out and spending 3 hours in the car going round the roundabouts of Newbury. But it is a good way to go to school, go to work, or anything else that you need to do. Okay, so today's topic is mini roundabouts. So something that we see quite a lot of after people have been practicing at home is people go straight over a mini roundabout, all the way down Craven Road, over every single bump, and boom, boom, and then across every roundabout. And I say, what was that thing we just went over? Was it an overabout? And they say, oh, but my mum says, because it's just painted on the floor, I can go over it. It's just the raised ones I need to go around. So, the Highway Code, rule number 188, look it up, doesn't discriminate against raised or flat ones. It just says in capitals, red, all vehicles must pass around the central markings unless physically incapable of doing so when driving a large vehicle. I tend to drive in a Mini. Most people don't practice in a bus at home, so you should just steer left a little bit first. Imagine the roundabout on the floor's got bricks on it or breeze blocks or something like that, and then take it from there. So there we go, mini roundabouts. What I need you to do is click the link below, help my mate out Joe, who's a cancer fighter. He is trying to raise a serious amount of money for charity, being hampered massively by the coronavirus, but he is smashing his targets. 365 days of action. Keep pushing, don't ever give up. See you tomorrow.